welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. So today is another makeup, another tutorial. Yes, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribe on the notification bell for you to be the first to notify whenever I upload a video. A very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you guys for keep on turning in. May God continue to bless you all. So with that being said, let's just continue with the video. See you guys on my next video. Love you all. Bye. I'm done with my eyebrow. Yeah, so this eyebrow I also make it separately, so I'll be uploading it separately also. So I'm using my Elegant concealer. So I'm going for this brush, use it to blend it all together. Yes, I'll be doing the same thing the other side, to blend it all together. I'm using Revolution. No, I'm using this color Superwoman. Yeah, that is what I'll be using throughout. I'm blending it with this flat brush, just to tap it little bit, little, just tap, that is it. I will also do the same thing the other side. I will also blend it, tap, tap. Just always tapping your eyeshadow. So that is what I'm doing. So I will leave you guys to enjoy watching, listening to the little music that is going on in the background there. This voiceover, So see you. Let me leave you guys to enjoy the eye look. See you guys. So this is the final look of this tutorial of this look. Yes, if you know you watch it from beginning to the end, you love my video, love the look, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and on the notification bell for you to be the first to notify whenever I upload a video. See you guys on my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Love you guys. Bye.